Hi, and welcome to MMBT's video demonstration of the MMBT220X mini HDMI microscope camera. In this video, we'll go through different features and functions of the camera so that you can get the most out of this amazing little tool. To start with, this comes with its own built-in display. You can also hook this up with the included HDMI or TV cables if you like to hook it up to a larger external monitor. But in this video, we'll be using it as a standalone. This comes with the included stand, remote, and camera, as well as the measurement software, which we will include in another video as that has more details. To adjust the height of the camera, adjust the back knob to move the camera up or down, and screw in when you have your desired height. To adjust the coarse focus, adjust the knob at the side of this microscope stand. To increase or decrease intensity, adjust the light dial up or down to this desired brightness. The remote that's included with the camera gets plugged in right here. The remote is used to take pictures or video of your product. To do fine focus, adjust the focus knob that is in the front of the camera. Your menu buttons are located on the front. At the side is where your SD card is plugged in. You can use 4 gigabytes, that's included, or all the way up to 32 gigabytes. At the back of the camera, you get the HDMI port, so you can hook up to a larger monitor. You can also use the screw port if you have a fixture that you like to use instead of the included stand and mounted to your piece of equipment. Here is where you will plug in for the TV to a TV monitor. And here is the power supply if you would like to use that. This can also be used battery operated as well. We'll get our part back on the screen. For the remote, if you'd like to digitally zoom, go to the side of the remote and press the plus to increase, digitally zoom in up to 4x, and zoom out by going down. So again, go up to zoom in, scroll down to zoom out. If you'd like to take a picture, press the camera icon, and that'll save to the SD card inside. To switch between camera and video, press the M button, your mode, and that'll switch to video. Press the camera button again to start the recording. If you have a process or procedure that you'd like to videotape, to stop recording, press the camera button again. To switch and see what you video recorded or your pictures, you press the playback icon. And to scroll through, press the up and down arrows to see previous pictures and video. To play, press the OK button. If at any time you'd like to delete one of the videos or pictures, press the settings icon, the scroll wheel, delete current or delete all, press OK. If you change your mind, press cancel. To go back to the main screen, press the playback button. Now we'll go over the different menu settings. Press the settings cogwheel, and if you'd like to have crosshairs, scroll down to the rules and press OK. To turn on, select on and press OK. Press the setting button to go back. And now we have the crosshair icon on. Go back to the settings. You can adjust your photo resolution by pressing OK. And you can adjust from 12 megapixels all the way down to 3 megapixels. The higher the number, the higher the quality and resolution will be, but it will take up more storage on your SD card. The lower the number, the lower the resolution, but the less room it will use. You can also adjust the video resolution by pressing there. And 1080 Full HD, 720 pixel, or VGA. Scroll up or down to select. And again, the higher the number, the higher the resolution. To adjust your white balance exposure, you can either increase or decrease. Press OK for your desired results. You can adjust the date and time here. Simply scroll up or down to adjust. Press OK to go to the next item. You can also change the layout if you'd like to have the date, the month, or the year first. Simply select. If at any time you want to exit the menu, press the setting wheel. Press the setting cog again to go back to the menu and scroll down. You can also put a date stamp or have the date displayed on your pictures. Press OK, and that'll be on. To turn off, scroll up to off. To adjust your TV settings, press TV. NTSC will be for the North America and Japan. For other countries like Europe and Australia, press PAL. You can also adjust loop recording. So that way, if you want to have a continuous recording, you can go in increments from 3 all the way to 30 minutes. Or if you don't want that, press off. If you want the camera to stay on without automatically shutting off, press the off. Or to conserve energy, you can do 20, 30, 45 to 60 minutes. If you want to keep it all the way on, especially if you're doing, if it's on a machine that you want recorded all the time, so you don't have to return it on, press off. You can also adjust languages. Simply select the language that you would like and press OK. To format the SD card to the camera, press Format. And again, don't do this unless you want to format it, because this will delete everything on your SD card. Then press the setting wheel to go back. And finally, if you ever want to go back to the original settings or default settings, press Default. If you change your mind, press Cancel. Otherwise, press OK to still go back to the original. And again, press setting icons to go back. As you can see, it's a very nice tool. Once you're done, you can press the power button and it'll shut off. If you have any questions, please contact us at MMBT.us, email us at sales@metro-cad.com, or call 763-595-7307. Thanks and have a blessed day.